products support our lives. Behind the scenes of the food industry lies an enormous amount of logistics. Food distribution as part of an overseas expansion continues to spread across borders and from city to city. Thorough temperature control is essential in food transportation. The introduction of refrigerated vehicles enables optimal product temperature control, minimizing damage to food products and maintaining quality. This in turn prevents health hazards and significantly reduces food loss. Topre's refrigerated truck maintains food at optimal temperatures to ensure freshness. By reducing food loss and improving overall distribution efficiency, we support the supply of food around the world. Topre has the #1 market share in Japan and outperforms competitors thanks to its strength in integrated in-house production of refrigeration equipment and containers. We can provide one-stop total support from sales proposals to manufacturing and after-sales service. We offer the most suitable refrigerated vehicles to meet the diverse needs of our customers. The use of refrigerated vehicles is still limited in overseas markets. By introducing Topre's refrigerated vehicles, companies will have the opportunity to increase their competitiveness and strengthen their reliability on food transportation, which will not only reduce food loss and improve consumer confidence, but also increase their competitiveness. The use of high-performance XPS insulation materials provides superior cold storage performance. The high thermal insulation performance enhances heat and cold retention, suppresses temperature fluctuation during transportation, and maximizes the quality of food products. The most distinctive feature of Topre's refrigerated trucks is their advanced cooling system. The system precisely controls the internal temperature of the vehicles, ensuring that food products are kept in optimum conditions even during long-distance transportation. After the manufacturing process is complete, all vehicles undergo a thorough quality check. Topre's corporation conducts strict temperature controls and durability tests to ensure a highly reliable product. Tests are repeated over and over again until the refrigerated vehicles meet certain quality standards. This is how Topre's refrigerated vehicles are delivered to customers with quality assurance. The performance of our products has been highly regarded by the food industry in many countries. Topre's corporation continues to innovate daily in order to provide customers with peace of mind and reliability. With the quality and technical capability already established in Japan, we will continue to take on the challenge of the global market. Let's create a sustainable future together with Topre's refrigerated vehicles that create new value in logistics.